Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy belated Thanksgiving. Be safe when you're out there doing all your Black Friday shopping. Doing something different today. So as you know, normally with big Thanksgiving dinners and desserts, there are always leftovers. So I'm doing a special video today where I'm gonna be talking about this amazing dessert, something my girlfriend's grandmother has always made, and eventually her parents started making it. It's this delightful concoction called graham cracker pudding, aka GCP, but they've always made it in her family, and it is a instant Thanksgiving classic. It's made every year. It's from her dad's side of the family, and it's made every single year on Thanksgiving. And this is the first year it was made since her dad has passed away. This GCP has many layers. You have graham cracker on the bottom, then vanilla pudding, then banana, and then graham cracker, and then vanilla pudding, and then banana, and then graham cracker, and then you top it with vanilla icing. And now you must use ripe bananas. The bananas have to be soft. Can't be hard bananas. Soft bananas make it easier. It must be prepared at least 24 hours in advance. So graham cracker, you see the chunks of banana right here. Ooh, banana icing. Whew. Let's try this out, shall we? It's so good. I'm gonna also add, goes great with some hot coffee. Look. You can't really see all the toppings clearly, but I'm telling you, got bananas, vanilla icing, vanilla pudding, graham cracker. Oh, it's so good. I was never a big fan of banana anything. I do like banana though, but you take banana pudding and you throw graham cracker into it. Oh, I love graham cracker. So good. If you wanted to be adventurous, you could probably try other fruit, but GCP, graham cracker pudding, that's how it's meant to be made. Strongly urge you try it. I'm definitely looking forward to eating this next Thanksgiving. Wow. I just had to showcase this recipe and talk about it because it's special to my lady, special to her dad's family, special to her family. It's an amazing dish, and I could literally eat this any day of the week. It's so good. But I like that specialty, like I get to look forward to it on Thanksgiving. Again, happy holidays, happy Thanksgiving. Thank you so very much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you can be notified when we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Be sure to hit up theedibleadventures.com to pick up some merch, help support us until we can support ourselves from these YouTube videos. And also follow us on Instagram at The Edible Adventures. By now, you know what this is. End screen! Subscribe there. Check out some other videos here and here. Thank you again for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.